Hey everyone, welcome to my WordPress tutorial lesson number 1. Now, what you see on my screen right now is my website, my new website, bestseomarketing.com. Alright, I've just installed WordPress onto my site, so it's fresh and it's clean. Okay, so if you want to learn how to set up a website from scratch, and I mean a self-hosted website, from scratch, then go on back to my previous training and video tutorials on website creations. Okay, there I actually go through with you how to get your new domain and how to sign up for a web host, and then how to install WordPress on your new site. And in the series of WordPress tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to set up your website, alright, using WordPress. And for this video, I'm going to keep it really simple. I'm going to show you how to log in to your new WordPress site, as well as how to carry out the updates and do some cleaning up so that your website is clean and neat before the actual setup takes place. Alright, now to log in to your new WordPress website, what you do is that you key in your URL, and that's your new domain name, onto your browser, followed by a /wp-admin. Okay, for any WordPress site, it is the same. It's always your URL or your domain name at the front, followed by a slash, and then wp-admin. Alright, so I'm going to hit on enter, and that will bring me to the login page. Now go ahead and sign in using your username and password and click on login. The username and password should be the one that you have specified during your WordPress installation. Alright, go ahead and fill in now. Now, once you have filled in your username and password, you should see your WordPress dashboard right here. Okay, just to give you an overview, what you see down here at the main body is all the details about WordPress itself, as well as some of the information about your website. Right now, the website is clean, so I do not have many posts or pages. Alright, and as well as comments. As I scroll down, you can see that it's going to show you recent comments of people posting on your site, as well as any incoming links, meaning that links that are on other websites that is pointing to yours. Alright, okay, and here's a bit of advertisement on the plugins, and we'll talk more about that in the later video tutorials. Okay, and on the right here, this is what you call a quick press. A quick press is really getting your content published very quickly. Alright, what you do down here is that you key in your title, you put in your content, you can leave the text off, or you can write something at the text, and then you hit on publish, boom, your content gets published very quickly. Now, recent drafts are straightforward. It talks about what are the unpublished content on your site. WordPress blog, okay, it gives you some of the information of the blog that is on the WordPress itself, okay, and other WordPress news. Now, on the left down here is your menu bar. Alright, this is where you have the individual sections to manage your WordPress. I'll go through the menus on the left in more details in my subsequent WordPress tutorials, but right now what I'm going to do is to update the site, okay, and then to remove some of the default posts and pages that comes with the WordPress installation, so that I keep everything clean. Okay, the first step here is to do the update on your new WordPress site. What you do down here is to go to the updates on the left and click on it. Alright, now you can see on the page down here there is a few buttons that you need to press. The first one here is to update the WordPress version. Okay, the latest is WordPress 3.5, so we're going to update that. and then we want to update the plugins, okay, that is also outdated, and as well as the pre-installed themes. Okay, these are the pre-installed themes you always see that comes with WordPress installation. So right now I'm going to update all of them. So hit on update now to update your WordPress to the latest version, and then you see that they'll bring you back to your dashboard. Alright, now hit on the button on the top to go back to the update page. Alright, now you can see that I have the latest version of my WordPress installed. The next thing I want to update are my plugins. So I click on the box here to choose all the plugins and hit on update plugins. Alright, now that you see that all updates have been completed successfully, I want to go back again to my update page and update all my themes. Again, I click on the checkbox on the top to select all, and then click the button update themes. And once that's done, I have no more updates left. Alright, so cool. The next step is I want to go to post and click on all post. Alright, what happens here is that every time you install WordPress, it comes with a default post, which is hello world. Alright, you can click on it and see the content within it. You don't need this, you can trash it. Alright, to trash it, you can either click on move to trash, or if you are back at the all post menu, alright, when you click on the all post here, you come back to the list of your post. You can click on the checkbox here to select your hello post, alright, and then click on the drop down box and select move to trash, and then click on apply. That will trash your hello world post to the trash bin. To remove it permanently, alright, you have to go into the trash list and click on hello world again, and then choose delete permanently. Alright, that will delete your post from the WordPress blog permanently. The next one is the sample page on pages. Same thing as post. Go to pages and then select all pages. That will bring you to the page list. Alright, the sample page, as you can see here, is nothing fancy. It's just an example page. You don't need this. Alright, you can go back again to the all pages list. Alright, click on that, and then the same way you delete the hello world in post, you can delete this sample page. Alright, but I'm going to show you another method of deleting this sample page. Down here there's a move to trash. You can click on it and it will trash it to your bin. Alright, same thing here. Go to trash list and then remove it permanently. Okay, now you can see there are no more pages, alright, in my page list. Okay, now we have updated WordPress to the latest version, as well as we've updated the plugins, the themes, and we have deleted the unnecessary posts and pages on our blog. It is clean. In the subsequent WordPress tutorial videos, I'm going to go through and teach you how to set up your WordPress further. We're going to talk about your settings, okay, and as well as the plugins, what are plugins I will use, as well as some of the cool plugins that comes free that you can install on your WordPress site to help your WordPress site rank better on Google as well as other search engines. Alright, the next thing is also how to configure your website so that it looks better, and then how to customize the different theme options that is available. So go ahead and do the necessary updates updates and clean up on your WordPress site. And I'll see you in the next video. So hope you've learned something. Bye for now.